A friend of mine got this nice 3-dialer. It's a FADA 175A, about 1924, pretty early, and it's not working. And here's a video of it not working. You can hear a little bit of noise out of the speaker as he's turning the dials, the 3 dials in front, but no stations. Chuck took the radio out of the cabinet, and you can see that this has a split chassis. One that's in the middle of the radio has 2 tubes on it, and the back one has 3. And here's a closer look at the underside. At the top there's a tube socket, that's what it looks like underneath. And that square thing is a capacitor down at the lower left. Now here's the wiring diagram, and this was produced by, and he did a really good job, and we found this very useful. And what I did, I asked Chuck to, with the power on and everything hooked up, just like you were going to play the radio, take a look at all the voltages on the plate of each tube. And he did, and we got the proper voltage at each tube. That's, really good news. Then I asked him, well, get a screwdriver and go to the grid of each tube and just touch the grid of each tube and see if you get noise out of the speaker. And he did. He got noise out of each when he touched each grid. So we're kind of using yourself as a signal injector. Well, that's also good news. Well, if you take a look all the way to the left, when we first tried the radio, we touched the antenna lead and didn't get anything. But Chuck has gotten some noise when he touches the grid of that first tube. So that means that the antenna coil is open, or we have a loose connection. And the very good news is we had a loose connection, and he got the radio working.
There we go.
I was surprised, yes, because it seems
There we go. Back in business. 1924 FADA. Isn't that gorgeous?
Mm-hmm.
Almost 99 years old.
Yeah.
And all it needed was a little, had a bad loose solder joint, a cold solder joint, and a couple loose tie-down nuts, and a bad tube. Basically, that's all that was wrong with it.
After 99 years.
After 99 years. Man, that's, I don't know anyone that old. My dad's close to it. 2 years away. Isn't that something?
Yeah.
There you go, Raymond.
Yeah.
With Rick McWhorter's help, that is the completed unit. Wonderful guy, wonderful teacher.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rick.
Oh, you're welcome. Glad to do it.
Yep.
It becomes cloudy with a high of only 42. Tonight it cools off just a little bit. A high of 38 degrees will be overcast with occasional rain. Tomorrow, cloudy and rainy and chilly. A high of only 43.
Put a little amplifier on there.
On Friday, some stray morning showers. Otherwise, will be cloudy with some possible sunshine as well. A high of 46. And on Saturday, it'll be sunny, but the sun won't warm us up. If anything, it'll be a bit colder with a high of only 39. On Sunday, though, the high is 48. I'm Nate Saunders in the WPTF News.
Are you considering a backup generator for your home and tired of being told?
Nice.
Thanks for watching.